In this guide, I'll show you how to teleport to an ancient city in Minecraft. So, the first thing you want to do is go to settings in your world, and under world and game on the left side, you want to scroll down on the right side until you get to world options. From here, you want to toggle on show coordinates. Then you want to scroll down further until you get to cheats, and you want to activate cheats. Now, once you've done that, you can go back to your game, and from here, you want to open up chat and commands. Then in the chat box at the bottom, you want to type in slash locate space structure space, and then you want to begin typing in ancient underscore city. And when you press enter, it's going to show you in the top left corner the coordinates of the nearest ancient city. So you want to open up chat and commands again, and you do have to remember this number. So once you've written down this number for the nearest ancient city, go down to the chat box and you want to type in slash TP space at S space, and then you want to type in those coordinates. So once you've put in your coordinates, all you have to do is press enter on your keyboard or whichever button for your device, and it should teleport you to this ancient city. Now it looks like the ancient city is actually beneath me, so I'm going to dig down there. And after a little bit of searching, I found it. So if this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.